won?
Alabama.
Who'd you bet on?
Georgia. Which means I'm down another 100. Where'd you get that?
Oh, I got it from a yard sale.
A yard sale.
Yes, just the one down the street.
Looks a little expensive for this street.
Well, not this street. It was 2 blocks over.
Oh, really? Where?
Well, about that,
You stole it, didn't you?
I stole it.
Honey, you gotta stop doing this.
Don't worry about it. It's just some cheap jewelry.
Amber, you can't just go around stealing things. I gotta go.
There were 4 rings, a strand of Akoya pearls, a 14-karat yellow gold wide bangle, and
Okay,
then there
and
was
could you tell us what a bangle looks like?
yeah, it's like a bracelet, but it's wide and it's solid and it goes all the way around.
And you still don't know who it was.
Well, actually, there was this one woman that came in.
Well, it could have been a man. I have a hunch that it's a man.
Why?
A woman isn't as nimble as a man. I don't think she could pull it off.
Oh, okay.
Seriously though, she had dark hair, was African American, had glasses, she was roughly around my height.
Kind of sounds like your wife.
Nah, she wouldn't do it. She was volunteering at the yard sale all day.
Who volunteers at a yard sale?
No, it was for the orphans. I gotta take this. Why don't you take a look around? I'll be with you in a minute. Hey, Seth.
What's up, douchebag? You see that Georgia lost last night?
Yeah.
Roll Tide. When am I gonna see my money?
At work, man. I'll figure it out later.
Oh, speaking of money, I've been looking for my wallet. Could I have left it in your car?
No, I don't see it.
Well, you're a detective. Find it.
Look, I gotta go, man. Talk to you later.
Hey, Chase. Look what I found. It was just sitting on the ground.
Well, that's a lead. Hey, man, you got my money?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Detective Bowman, and this is my associate, Detective Woods. We're here to ask you some questions.
What do you mean? Chase, what's he talking about?
You know him?
No, I don't know what he's talking about.
What? What do you mean you don't know me? What are you talking? You don't know me? We're friends.
Remain calm, sir. There's nothing to be worried
I
about.
am calm. Why are you here?
Well, sir, you are a suspect for robbery.
I'm a suspect for
Yes,
a robbery.
sir. We found your wallet on the crime scene.
My wallet? My wallet's been missing. I was looking for it today.
Hey, Cedric. I found it.
What is that?
That is a 14-karat yellow gold bangle. If you don't know what a bangle is, it's kind of like a bracelet, but solid all the way around. I guess you would know, though, wouldn't you?
What are you talking about?
Since you stole it.
Chase! What's going on? Chase!
Sir, you have the right to remain.
Alabama's up 3 points.
In other news, a very special thanks to the Ketterman's Jewelers and Ketterman's Farm for providing a perfect location. Thank you to the Durers for their use of their home as a set and lodging for the crew.